Guess what, guys? Faze just bought a brand new dream house, and at this point, he's buying dream houses like normal people buy groceries, because he's done like 5 of these in the last 2 years, and he's pretty much buying more real estate than BlackRock is. But you know what? Let's give him the benefit of the doubt, because he's nice enough to give us a tour inside of his house, and I will tell you what I think of it as both a real estate agent and real estate investor now for almost 14 years. But before we start, if you wouldn't mind hitting the like button and subscribing if you enjoy this content, it would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for doing that. Now, with that said, let's begin.
All right, guys, this is it. My brand new house. Welcome to the official house tour, house reveal, the new Faze Rug house.
Oh gosh, she's buying a new Faze Rug house though every 6 months, but I have to tell you, for views, there's nothing better than a house tour. Everyone loves house tour. Like, that's the genius with this. You don't have to be a fan of Faze Rug to just enjoy a nice house. Everyone loves a nice house, and he's capitalizing on that. He probably makes his money back on these houses so fast.
I don't know what to say. Thank you guys so much for your support. I've moved a few times in the past few years, and I feel this home is the one for me.
I think he said that about the last one, though. Didn't he? I loved his last house. I think it was just too far for him, or he wanted to move to Los Angeles. I don't know what the story was on that exactly, but his last place was gorgeous.
It's just crazy because this is literally the new chapter of my entire life.
And you're gonna be here for a while. You're not going.
Here's the thing though, he's got a new chapter in like a Lord of the Rings trilogy that's like this big. And like each chapter is like that much. He's got a lot of chapters. This guy is doing everything. Oh, that's not a home, that's a palace. He's basically just bought his own kingdom at this point. He could just have, just people working on the land and tending to it every day, and he's feeding him grapes all day. I mean, the Faze Rug has made it.
The main thing that I love is the double staircase, of course, and I just love how modern this house is. Black and white all over.
It's not modern at all, actually. If anything, it looks more like palatial, traditional, kind of with some Mediterranean inspiration in there. Definitely, I wouldn't call anything with columns modern. Well, I guess modern. You know what? Maybe contemporary is the word I'm looking for. To me, it's a little bit more, I don't want to say old-fashioned, but it's got some history to it, this house.
Look at the flooring as well. This part is wood, this is tile. It's just so aesthetically pleasing, and the lighting in here, everything is beautiful, and I feel like that matters a lot with my energy. Like, if I wake up to a bright home, I'm just gonna be more uplifted throughout the day. Walking into this house just makes a grand entrance.
Yeah, you can flex on everybody who walks through those front doors. Listen, you order a pizza, and the pizza man looks through those front doors and is like, wow. If you're not giving the pizza man a $50 tip after that, he's gonna be disappointed.
This is an office room, but if you could look to the right, there's a Lego wall. Bro, this is so sick. It actually came with the house. I had to pay extra for it from how crazy this is. So
wait, that came with the house. Did Jake Paul live here? I feel like Jake Paul kind of started that like Lego inspired thing. It doesn't fit with the rest of the house at all. I could see this in maybe a really contemporary house, but not here. I mean, I don't mind it though. I think it's kind of cool.
You're gonna open this up, and there's a spaceship in there with a solar system. Like, you can see all the planets in there.
No, who lived here? What sort of guy is spending like $10 million on a house and be like, yo, I want a Lego wall on that, besides Jake Paul? How?
This is gonna be an office. I haven't gotten the desk yet, but I just love the black brick wall. With this painting, it makes it pop like crazy.
I like the painting. I like the Rugrats inspired thing. I like the black brick. I think this is gonna be a cool office.
So you thought the Lego wall ended there? It goes into this entire room, and as you can see, it's literally built in the wall. Like, this is legit right here. You wanna see the coolest part about this?
Wow, that's neat. The only thing I'm thinking, maybe it was a kid's room, but you would never have the kid's room where an office should be by the front door. That's a terrible spot for the kid's room, because you're gonna sneak out of the house.
You wanna see the coolest part about this?
Wait, this is not it?
It's not over. You ready?
Bro.
What the hell?
Oh my gosh, what? At first I was like, yo, there's like a Planet 13 going on in here. Like, what is this? Wow, but it was something else. I mean, that looks like it could be something else, right?
You open the bottom part, and look at that. I just can't imagine how long it takes to do this. The person who actually made it, his name is right here. I don't know how to pronounce it. Can you read that?
Pretty neat. It's just something good to kind of show off to your friends. You know, your friends might have like a gold Rolex, but nobody has that. So it's like, yeah, you might have an AP, but check out this Lego wall here.
Let's go this way?
Yeah.
All right, so this room I haven't done much to yet, except for this giant drake painting. Everyone knows this was from my last house, Drake is my favorite rapper of all time.
I wonder how Drake feels about that. Imagine Drake's reaction when he sees his face in Faze Ruggs' house. I mean, listen, I would be honored if someone has a picture of me in their house. Besides, like, family's fine, but like somebody like you don't know personally, just there's a photo of you up on the wall. I think it might be kind of cool.
Here is the cleanest thing I have ever seen. Look at this island. Matches the floors perfectly. It's super clean, super bright. I don't know, I have to show off this candle because it's lit. It's actually a Fruit Loops candle.
Ah, I want one of those. I like cool, like, there's odd scented candles. Like, I hate to say, I love the vanilla cinnamon ones because you walk in, it just smells like Christmas everywhere you go. Something like that would be neat.
Look what's back. Look what's back. My touchscreen toaster. When I moved out of my last house, I let them take this into a storage unit, and the only thing I've been talking about is my toaster. Look at this. It's an actual touchscreen toaster.
That's nuts. It goes to show you that everything is better when you could just touch it. When a computer's in it. How much is this? Touch screen, $320. And they go all the way up to $350. 350 bucks, but it's gonna do the same thing as any other toaster. It's just you're paying extra for this computer.
And here is the walk-in pantry. I actually did a little bit of shopping yesterday.
Damn.
Dude,
Wow, he's organized. I really like that about him. At least when he does a home tour, there's not a whole bunch of stuff everywhere, it's messy. Like, at least he puts some time into making sure his place looks perfect.
So my top 3 in here is definitely gotta be Honey Bunches of Oats. You guys probably think I'm weird. Lucky Charms. Honestly, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Gotta respect it.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch was my favorite, and it was basically it's pure sugar on like these little crispy pieces of graham crackers. They're so good, but it's so bad for you. There's no way that's part of like a healthy, balanced breakfast. There's no way. I don't know how on earth they're able to get away with that claim.
Okay, so all I'm gonna say is the backyard is the greatest backyard of all time. It's a dream backyard. It's pure entertainment out there. So should we go to it now or should we save it for last?
Save it for last.
Oh, look at, this is why he has 20 million subscribers and I do not. He's able to hype this up. See, I'd be like, the backyard is awesome. Let's go to it right now. But now it's like we have to keep watching until we get the backyard.
One of my favorite pieces right here, the cover of Sports Illustrated with a bunch of legends. Literally one of the greatest accomplishments of my life. Shout out to Faze Clan.
That's neat. Good on him. They've really revolutionized a lot of the whole gaming industry. They were coming out with their own SPAC soon too. They're valuing themselves at $1 billion. I don't know how they're ever gonna get that valuation, or if it's, you know, I was about to say if it's a rug pull. I know it's not. It's a big joke there. But listen, if they're able to get it, by all means, I'm sure they built a phenomenal business.
There's a lot of guest bedrooms that I haven't done anything to because I just moved in. There's a lot of those. I'm not gonna get too into it, but this is one of the guest rooms. This right here is actually a guest house. This is kind of where you put the bed.
Oh my gosh, I love that. He's got a guest house in the house. That is awesome. That's where he could have his editor live in there, or just someone working with him right there. And he, you know, and it's well separated.
So this is the garage. I don't want to show you guys because it's super dirty. We got a bathroom right here with another Kobe picture.
Super dirty. I bet he has all sorts of supercars in there. That's what's dirty. All of his Ferraris are dirty in there. I want to see. I bet he's hiding something sweet in that garage.
So you're gonna walk upstairs. The first thing you see is this Faze custom picture frame basketball hoop. This was gifted to me for 20 million subs.
That's really cool, but who gifted it to him? Is YouTube doing that? Is YouTube making stuff like that at 20 million? I feel like they should. Faze Ruggs has done so much for YouTube, but YouTube has done a lot for Faze Ruggs too. Goes both ways.
And guys, a lot of this house isn't complete yet. I put all the main stuff in for this house tour.
See, here's the thing, it's not complete yet. Then he's gonna be able to do a complete house tour and get double the views of this one.
And then we got this balcony overlooking the backyard. We can't really, let's just go out there. Let's do it, come on. Look at how giant this balcony is.
Oh, that's nice. Where is this? I wanted to say it looks like Thousand Oaks, but I can't tell. It could also be Orange County. I'm not sure.
We're about to enter the master bath. We got this custom rug made by Sinji Official. She is extremely talented with rugs.
She's very talented with rugs. Faze Rug. Oh.
Now the craziest part is how big the shower is. You can literally run a marathon in here, bro. Check it out. Look at how long it is.
Oh.
That's actually crazy.
How do you need that much space? How do they ever justify a shower that big besides just trying to impress you? That's it, because it's never functional like that. You're gonna stand in one spot if you're taking a shower, right?
I hate bragging. This is more to inspire my audience that if you put in a lot of work for what you love, this can actually happen. This can come true. Like, this all started with video games for me when I was 14 years old, playing video games for 12 hours a day.
Oh yeah, I would never think he's bragging. I mean, the guy's got a Balenciaga shirt on. It's just, to me, this is his style. He's done quite well. He's a hard worker. When I look at Faze videos, I am honestly inspired by his work ethic to post the videos that he does. He's posted 3 to 4 videos a week consistently for almost 10 years. His work ethic blows my mind how he's able to do all of this and stay this consistent all the time. It's crazy. It's like every video is like a good standalone video on its own. I don't know how he does it, but it's 10 out of 10.
This is actually connected to another room. I think it's called a Jack and Jill. I don't know, I'm starting to learn these tours. I literally feel like a real estate agent right now, giving you guys a tour.
See, he's showing you how easy it is to be a real estate agent. You just gotta do this, just learn the contracts, you're good to go.
I'm gonna be streaming twitch.tv/rug, making some gaming videos, and just having fun. Me and Noah have been talking about opening a reaction channel.
Yes, we have to do that this year.
Wow. Faze reacts, Rug reacts. Rug reacts. There's no way that channel's not gonna hit 10 million subscribers. Seriously, it sounds like Rugrats. Rug reacts. Rug reacts. It's kind of a tongue twister.
Sheesh.
Dude, this is a dream backyard. I can't stress it enough.
Wow, that's massive. Where is this? I'm still trying to figure out where this is. My guess is probably Orange County, right? Maybe? I don't know. It looks kind of like Thousand Oaks too. I'm going to say Orange County.
Just remember, think about all the content that's going to be made in this house. So here is one of my favorite parts, guys. One of my favorite is this little gazebo area. So we're going to have a lot of barbecues here, a lot of family parties.
Wow. I mean, this is just as good as like if you're going to a resort. I mean, this is what you would expect, except it's in his backyard. I love this.
Check out this fire pit.
Fire.
Literally fire.
It looks like a bunch of broken glass, but I love it.
It is.
Is it?
Yeah. Bro, I don't know if like they made this to like fit with all these people, but like I don't have this many friends, bro.
Faze, I'll be your friend. Invite me over. Invite me and Jack over, and we'll do a podcast there. We could do a podcast right there with the flames. That would be cool.
We're moving on to the freaking swimming pool, man. When I tell you the summertime is gonna be crazy, look at how giant this pool is, bro.
That's an ocean. He's got an ocean in his backyard. That thing is massive.
Of course, knowing me, I'm gonna customize this court. So you guys all know how my last court looked. Here's a picture if you haven't seen it. For this one, I actually wanna make this subscriber themed.
Maybe we could do like an art contest.
Oh, I like that. Little art contest, you guys submit it.
He's just gotta get ZHC down there. Do like Faze Rug's face, just on the court. That's what I would do.
Real quick before we leave the backyard and end the video, I just want to get a good view facing the whole backyard because I feel like something to admire for sure.
Wow, this thing is gorgeous. Look, he's got solar panels on the roof. He's got a fountain. The house is so nice that he glosses over the fountain. He doesn't even talk about this whole thing right in the middle there. He's got 2 olive trees on either side. This is so well landscaped. My gosh. It is gorgeous.
I know a lot of people think I'm gonna sell it in a few months or I'm gonna move back in with my mom and dad. Like, that's fine for people to have those opinions, but when I tell you I actually mentally feel good in this house and I didn't in my past houses, I'm speaking truthfully. All I care about is my mental health and I feel great. I feel so excited for the future.
Well, how about this, Faze? Anytime you want us to come over and do an iced coffee hour podcast, just let me know. I'm available anytime. You give me 24 hours notice. I'll be down wherever you are. And we'll bring all the equipment. We could do a nice episode there. If you guys agree, just let me know down below in the comment section, or you can also let me know by liking the video for the YouTube algorithm. So thank you guys so much for watching. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram and on the podcast, The Iced Coffee Hour. I'll link to it down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.